What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. It's early. The sun haven't came up. Did a little raining in Phoenix last night. I think the monsoons are now coming in. Well, I just came to you really this morning, man. I had something on my mind. You know how you hear people say, I can't wait to get on a certain level so that way I can make this person look at me that way. Or I can, a turn from the hood. Oh, man, I can't wait to get on my feet so I can shit on some of these folks, man, that been hating on me. You know what I mean? And you know what I realized, man? People who think like that, they gonna run into a lot of obstacles because they doing it for the wrong reason. So, are you really doing it to get a bag, to live comfortable, to take care of your seed, your family, your future? Or are you doing it just so that way you can make someone else that you really don't like, that you don't care, pretty much what they got going on besides them seeing you? If that's how you feel, then you got a lot to learn, bro.